What is up, my beautiful people? Woo! I am back and better. This time I'm better. This time I'm back with a makeup tutorial. Very, very quick. I was supposed to originally do another makeup tutorial, but it didn't turn out the way I thought it was gonna turn out because I didn't have the right tool for it. So I'm just gonna turn it into a easy fall makeup tutorial. Let's get started. Alrighty, so I used my Simply Me Beauty concealer all over my lid, and I just used my index finger and just simply spread it gently, like all over the lid. And now I'm going to use the James Charles palette, shade Punch Me, right here. Is this shade Punch Me? It's beautiful, light chocolate brown in the crease, which you guys will see right now. And I'm using my shiny brush in number 5. It looks like that. Cute. And I'm not gonna windshield wipe. I'm just gonna like kind of press the pigment in my crease. And there you go. Now this thing is really, really cool, especially for eyeshadow makeup looks or just doing my eyeshadow in general. I love it. It's so cute. It's an eyeshadow compact thing. You just like swipe the eyeshadow pigments like so, like that, and it goes, all the eyeshadow goes like literally like in the sponge thing, which is cool. I get so excited when I do my eyeshadow. I'm gonna use my blending brush in, let me see, my Wet n Wild blending brush looks like this. It's like white, and I freaking love this brush. It works wonders. I'm just gonna gently blend this out. Ooh. Which it's already blended, perfect. And then for the outer V, because I am gonna make an outer V with the kind of like a darker brownish color, makeup brush by Shani in number 8. It looks like this. It's like a skinny, small, pointed, kind of pointed brush. I'm gonna be using T. Gorgeous, darkish, kind of like dark tone, lightish brown. This one right here. Hey, this one right here. That's gonna be the outer V, baby. And then I'm just gonna make a outer V. Okay. Right after I made the outer V, kind of, I'm gonna go back in with the blending brush. I don't know, I'm weird. This is how I do my eyeshadow. Because I don't want it too harsh. Now I'm gonna go in with LA Colors matte liquid eyeliner, which is very, very pigmented black liquid eyeliner. I love it. This eyeliner is retarded. I hope it didn't run out. Like, dang it. Looks like I'm in a music video with this stupid thing. Okay, there we go. Now we have more. Okay. But I did my other wing off camera because I had to use another liquid eyeliner because the other one dried out on me, and I'm like, damn it. So anyways, Maybelline Tarte Studio eyeliner, and you guys should try this eyeliner out because it works so freaking good. Very pigmented. I highly suggest it. I love it when mascara wands are like, boom, like, just like that. Just gonna put it in. There we go. And it's that. That's the mascara. Yay. They're under my eyes by Simply Me Beauty. Just gonna actually dot it this time. I know, like, the sun rays are coming. It's pretty on my eye. Light. My eyes are like a light hazel brown in the light. But yeah. But it's the same brush. Where are you? Okay. Yeah. I'm gonna use the same brush with this foundation brush, but I use it as a concealer brush, as it doesn't matter. Just going to go in like this and bring it up like right here. This is what I do. Blend it all out. So I look woke and I'm not like tired or high. Like, people are like, oh, you're high. No, I'm tired. I'm just kidding. No, so I don't look tired. I don't have that look. So there's that. And I could put some lipstick, or maybe I'll put like a tiny bit of this lip gloss by Studio Gear. I love Studio Gear. Their cosmetics are good too. Really good. It's a really pretty shimmer. It smells like freaking cinnamon, dude. So this is what it looks like. Close. I'm just putting it a little bit because it's really pigmented. No, it's really smooth and pigmented and stuff. Okay, so that is my fall look in the sun. This is my fall look. I hope you guys enjoyed my quickish fall look. Let me know down below. And let me know what else you guys want me to say. What kind of makeup tutorials you want me to do, because I'm all for it. And other videos as well. Let me know down below and I will do them. Yay! I love you guys so much. Be safe and don't forget to be you. Be classy. Be positive. Love others. And I will see you guys in my next video. Deuces.